Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, yesterday as mentioned, it was a sideways day, right? There was not much bigger movement, and you can clearly see that it was taking resistance at CPR, and CPR was a wide CPR. As mentioned, it was a sideways day, right? And I have clearly mentioned to take care of this level, right? I have mentioned that this was a turning point on day before yesterday, right? And even I have mentioned I have showed you in our NYMEX crude chart also, right? And you can exactly see the price, how beautifully it took support there and recovered, right? So normally people think, okay, the price has broken CPR and next time the price has broken the major one support level, but and they go for a short. But we were aware that we were expecting a sideways day, so there can be a recovery, and the recovery can happen from the turning point, right? This is what exactly happened. And in Indian market, we were not, it was at the closing hours basically, right? There was not much opportunity, but this is what happened yesterday. Now let us do today's analysis. So first we will do with the daily candle of MCX. So you can see yesterday, since the time we had only started 5 to 11:30, it was a small candle, not any bigger indication, right? Let us see in NYMEX crude what exactly happened. NYMEX crude, you can see the price came down all the way from opening till it came up to $74.58. But you can clearly see that there was a recovery, right? So buyers were not ready to give up, right? That's what it indicating, but it doesn't mean that it's a bullish signal because it couldn't break previous days high, right? Now, in case if it recovering, we have this level, yesterday's high and day before yesterday's high, and also we have the 20 EMA resistance, right? So if at all the price recovers, it can see a resistance at around near to $77.16, right? And in case if it coming down, we have a support at 73.94, and then we have the support zone which we have mentioned, right? Same way in MCX, we can, if at all, if it coming down, the support zone starts from 606067 to we have up to 5830 level. So this, if at all, if it coming down, it can take a support, right? But again, probabilities are more, even it can go up in case if it breaks day before yesterday's high, it can go up and it can take a first resistance near to the 20 EMA, which is around 634550 level, right? Now we will do 30 minutes candle analysis. 30 minutes candle, friends, in NYMEX crude is clearly showing it's a very narrow CPR, right? Indicating a trending day. So seeing yesterday's pattern and the CPR, we can expect it can be a trending day. So we don't know which level, which side it can go, right? Now, let us see the probabilities. Now, one thing, this is taking resistance exactly at the resistance zone, which we have mentioned, 75.83. And in case if it breaking and with a good pattern, immediately it can go near to the pivot level, which is 76.63, and day before yesterday's high, which is 76.992, right? Breaking that, even it can go up to $78.38. That's what I am expecting. In case if it coming down, we need to be cautious at yesterday's low, because yesterday's low was a turning point day before yesterday, and yesterday's low can be acted as a good support. So if it breaking CPR range, we have first support near to 74.99, then we have previous day's low, right? And if that breaks, we can expect a bigger downside. Right now, we will do our Indian market level analysis using 30-minute candle time frame of MCX crude. So one thing we need to understand, the high of yesterday, we will not take care much because in NYMEX, you can see the high is different, right? And but the low, what it's showing here is matching, and it was a turning point day before yesterday. So this can be one important level, right? 6116 level, right? Even in our market also, the CPR starts from 6159 to 6173. So it's a similar kind of a narrow CPR only. Not anyway, it's not a wide CPR, it's a narrow CPR we can consider. But yesterday, since the data was started from only 5 o'clock, it's not exactly the same. We will refer NYMEX crude, right? Now, So NYMEX Crude has already given us an indication that the CPR is a narrow CPR, so which can actually make us get us a trend index. So first thing, what are the probability we will see? So you can exactly see it created a big bearish candle, right? Now this elephant candles, opening elephant candle importance, everyone knows who attended my last Thursday's webinar. Now exactly you can see this was one of our support level. We drawn 6210, 6209 level, and you can see exactly took a support there, right? Now what is the next probability? It can come down if sometime, right? If the selling pressure continues, it can come down. It can come down somewhere near to the CPR or 20 EMA. From there, it can recover. If it recovering, it will definitely have a resistance at intraday high, right? Since it's a big elephant candle, it can have a resistance at 6279 level, and above, just above that 6286, we have a weekly pivot that can also act as a strong resistance, and above that we have 6303 level. So all these has to be marked as a zone, right? Starting from 6279 to 6303 level, we should mark it as a zone. In case if the price recovers and break that level, right, that is exactly matching with day before yesterday's high, then it can continue a bullish trend. First target 6383 and second target 6514 level. Right, these are the two levels which I am looking for the day, since it's a trending day. And in case if it coming down, we just immediately after the CPR, we have immediate support at 6146 and an important support which is previous day's low 6116 level. Right, so starting from CPR 6158 to 6116 level, we will mark as a zone, right? So below that, it can actually create a bearish signal. First target can be 6072 and 6019, and one more we have at 5910 level, right? So these are the levels which I am expecting on the downside. So according to the price action, we need to take care, right? Now, the immediate thing what we need to understand, the exact, the elephant candle closed at the support level. It may take a support somewhere. In case if it recovering, there can be a selling opportunity near to the intraday high, right? Which is the high of this candle, or somewhere near to this zone. That's what I am seeing. And it can come down somewhere again near to the CPR. And the trend we will see only above, breakout above 6303 on the upside and downside below previous day's low, which is 6116 level, right? So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Before winding up, I want to give you a disclaimer. Whatever view I have shared, it's my personal view, personal study. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and take trade accordingly. Friends, coming Thursday and Friday, we have scheduled 2 masterclass. This Thursday, we have price action secrets, and Friday, we have superpower trader. Both will start at sharp 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. I want all you to register for this masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. Click on the link and register for the masterclass. Let us meet at the masterclass. Friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.